Today I want to show you about a couple different search engines that you might not have known exist. So we are here on the Nature Hill Library homepage, where you can find lots of valuable information and sources, but if you scroll down and take a look down here, you can see all of this list of search engines. You're probably familiar with Ask and Google, but a few that you might not know of are on this list. Google and Ask are okay sources to use. In fact, they have lots of really good information, but they aren't really tailored for a group of people in particular. They're more for the general public, and so there are lots of different sources and there's a variety out there, and so sometimes it's hard for us to really realize or to decipher what is a good source and what's a source that might not have the best information for us. So a couple other search engines that you might want to try that are more tailored for students are the DuckDuckGo search engine. Google Scholar is really good, and I also would recommend Yippee. Today I want to show you DuckDuckGo. So when you get to DuckDuckGo, and you wouldn't have to go through our Nature Hill page, you could just type in DuckDuckGo. You can see it's duckduckgo.com, and that can get you there too. When you get to DuckDuckGo, it's very similar to any other search engine, where you just type in your keyword, and I want to stick with that Planet Venus search. When you get the results, you can automatically see here that these are some pretty good, reliable sources. You've got a definition up here, and then if you scroll down, you can see that you've got 9planets.org, space.com, and then we get into even some more familiar sources where we've got the NASA website, and then we've got National Geographic as well. So a couple other features that I want to show you before we choose one is if you look over here on the side, it says try this search on. So it's asking you if you want to try the same search on a different homepage. So if you want to search in the NASA database, it gives you that option. And all these options here are really tailored to the keyword that you put in. So it gives you NASA. If you want a definition, you might want to try Britannica. If you want to look for books on this same source, we could go to Amazon.com. We could look for news articles. And then PhotoBucket is where you might find some good images. So these are all really good options, and it recommends those options based on the keyword that you typed in. So that's really nice. So let's just take a look here at one of the search results that we get on the NASA website, and you've got Planet Venus here. So this is really solid information. You can see here it took you straight to NASA Education for Students, grades 5 through 8, and that's perfect for what we want. So it really does tailor exactly to our needs here. I hope that you will explore using DuckDuckGo and some of the other search engines and try them instead of just using Google all the time. These can be really valuable for you as you're searching for information.